Hello and welcome to the SmartSale's point of sale video tutorial series. In this video, we will walk you through the item grouping panel and show you how to set it up. On the right side of the screen, you will see the Show Panel button. Clicking this button reveals all of the item groups you have created. To begin setting up item groups, navigate to Panel 3 and then click on Item Grouping. Here, you will see a list of all available buttons. Let's create a new group. In the blank field, enter a description for the group. Make sure the visible option is checked, then click Save. Next, select the group and click Group Button Details. On the left panel, select the group. The buttons assigned to that group will then appear. Each button can be linked to a different item. Click on a button, then on the right-hand side, search for an item. Double-click the item to assign it to the selected button. You can also change the color of the selected button using the options at the top. To remove an item from a button, click Clear Selected Button. Once you have finished assigning items, click Save and then Close. To disable an entire item group, simply uncheck the visible option, click Save, and then click Close. If the panel is already open, hide it and reopen it to display the updates. To use an item group, select the group and then click on an item to add it to the current bill. That concludes our tutorial on item grouping. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email or call us. Thank you for watching.